If you can hear me, please wave out. Hi. This side, anybody? Hello. Can you hear me? Thank you. Can you all hear me? Everybody from your apartment. Hello, everybody. First of all, thank you so much for coming. From Bangalore City Police, thank you so much for all of you for coming out to your balconies, coming out near your roads and showing us all such good support. We are able to do this coronavirus curfew successfully. We will be able to do it only with your support. So thank you so much for taking your time and coming out to your balconies on our road to listen to us. First thing, I would like all of you to know that Section 144 has come into force. What this means is more than 2 people, 2 and more, 3 and more should not come out of your houses at a time in a group. That is being completely stopped. 1 or 2 people together can come out and travel. Now why this has been done is because we all know that coronavirus has infected India, very much our Karnataka state as well, and we are in 3rd week. We are in week number 3, and we have to exercise as much precaution now so that this does not spread further to week 4. That is the only reason why we have requested all of you to stay indoors and do not come out without a very valid and necessary reason. Also, all the essential services, let it be the medical, let it be the groceries, the food items, everything is open like any other normal day. Please do not get scared, do not panic that you are not getting your essential commodities. Everything is open like a normal day. So your milk, your vegetables, your fruits, your medical services, everything, water, everything is available and is getting transported to your normal good day store, home store, whatever you choose to go. All your supermarkets, the grocery sections are open. Please do not panic and do not go rushing to any of your grocery stores. They are available. Even when you do go to your grocery store, please maintain a social distance. Minimum 1 feet distance between each other. Then even if somebody coughs or sneezes, that virus will not affect us because it cannot travel so far. I request all of you to kindly maintain a social distance by yourself. When you're standing in a line, in a queue at say Reliance Mart or any other supermarket or even at a local grocery vegetable seller. Second, request all of you to kindly use sanitizers, hand washes, soaps at the minimum. And keep doing that regularly because virus spreads, it stays alive, we are all carriers. We will not know where it has touched, your clothes, your body. It's not enough just to wash your hands and face. Please keep your clothes clean, please keep using a hand wash. Sanitizers are a precious commodity. Please use them wisely, soap will equally do the same work. Next, when you come outdoors, out of your houses, request you to kindly wear a face mask because you do not know how close you might go to a person. If you're maintaining this much of a distance, it is fine. But if you do get closer, please wear a face mask for your own protection. And fourthly, this is a very challenging time for India and Bangalore city especially. Services have been stopped in the sense you cannot go out of the Bangalore city and nor can anybody come inside. Services have been stopped. BMTC buses have been stopped, auto rickshaws have been stopped. So it is a little difficult for all of us to come back and stay at home. But please find some creative ways to spend your time. Cooperate with us as much as possible. We are trying to really hard. The medical department, the home department, the police department and all essential services are applying 24 hours. Your electricity, your sewage, all other departments of the government is trying real hard to make us as comfortable for our citizens, for all of us in Bangalore city. Please cooperate with us. If you see any kind of violations, please by yourself convince that person to go home. If there is any home quarantine person who is going on the road, request him immediately to go home. If not, strict action will be taken. And A sincere request finally from all of us. Please do not get scared. Do not share panic or fear. Come together in a cooperative movement and we will get through this. If we all come together, we will be able to get through this. So till 31st March, are you all with me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Then I want all of you to sing a song with me.
Which one? Which
You
one?
are also police, are also fun people.
Alright.
Right, so all of you are going to sing a song I'm sure all of you have heard in your school days or sang in your school days. Do you remember this song? Hum honge kaamyab. Come on, sing loudly.
कामयाब
Hum
होंगे कामयाब
एक दिन ओ मन में है विश्वास पूरा है
विश्वास
हम होंगे
कामयाब होंगे
We shall stay at home.
at home.
We shall stand in that. We shall wear face mask every day. Come on.
Come on.
Wear face mask
Every day.
Oh, मन में है विश्वास पूरा है विश्वास हम
होंगे कामयाब today.
Till 31st March, I want all of you guys to be with us. Are you all with us?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.